To address generator issues related to voltage fluctuations, consider several power monitoring solutions. The Fluke 438.2 Power Quality and Energy Analyzer is a comprehensive tool that analyzes power quality, including voltage dips and swells. Its price is around $1,000. The Hioki 3336 Power Logger, priced at approximately $600, is a compact logger capable of capturing voltage drops and swells with high accuracy. For more advanced features, the Yokogawa WT330 Power Analyzer, costing around $4,000, offers portable power quality analysis, including voltage dip and swell detection. For a budget-friendly option, the Omron Digital Power Meter P3CM, available for about $200, displays voltage, current, and other parameters, including voltage dips and swells. Another option is the Eaton Pulsar CS6000 Power Meter, a DIN rail-mounted meter providing power quality monitoring and logging, including voltage dips and swells, priced around $300. When installing a power monitor, firstly, mount the power monitor at the electrical panel where the generator connects to monitor the voltage supplied by the generator. Secondly, connect the power monitor to the appropriate voltage and current terminals. Thirdly, configure the monitoring software to capture voltage spikes and drops according to your desired parameters, such as duration and threshold. It is also important to investigate potential sources of voltage drops in the neighborhood, such as street lighting or traffic signals, especially if the voltage drops occur at a specific time each night. Contacting the utility company to inquire about maintenance or testing in the area that could cause voltage fluctuations is also advisable. After recording voltage spikes and drops, analyze the data to determine the severity and duration of the fluctuations. Understanding the power quality issues affecting the generator will enable informed decisions about mitigation strategies and ensure reliable generator operation.